please. Me parrot just flew away on me gun. Now, she's gone towards the canal, please. Everyone, please. Chanel! Please, everyone. Me parrot's gone. She's an African grey, her name's Chanel. You've all seen her on my videos, please. She heard that noise and just flew off on me gun. Chanel! Please, come on, everyone, please. Chanel! My parrot's gone, please, everyone, please. She's in Netherton somewhere. She's flew towards the canal, maybe Dunningsbridge Road, I don't know. Oh, miss! Parrot's just gone missing, please. Chanel! Oh, I'm losing my connection. I'm so sorry, guys. Please. Oh. Chanel! Anyone sees a parrot? Come on, please. An African grey. She goes by the name of Chanel, please. Chanel! Chanel! Come on, guys, please. All you guys in Netherton, please look out for the African guy. Oh, Leanne Kelly, come on, Tracy Vincent. She's gone that way somewhere. I know she's... Chanel! Please, everyone. She just flew out a cage, please. I'm begging you, please find me, Parrot. She's an African grey. She goes by the name of Chanel. She's been on my videos. She swears a lot. Please, she's tagged anyway, so if you find her, please, anyone. Please. Sorry, guys, I don't know what to do. Just please, anyone, if you find me, Parrot, just get in touch with me. Chanel!